Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My School. I read in Islamia High School. It is situated in the heart of the city. It has two-story building. It has 30 rooms. They are airy and well lighted. Every room has two fans and one tube light. There is a big hall in the school. Meetings are held in it. There is a library. It is full of books. There is also a science laboratory. There are two playgrounds. We play game there. There are grassy lawns also. There are 40 teachers in my school. They are very able and hardworking. Our headmaster is very kind and noble. My school shows good results. This is the best school in the area.